Did you know the 1978 Dodge Sportsman American Clipper could carry your whole family, half your neighbors, and still have room for disco records? Stick around. This rig might just make you sell your house and move into the driveway. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to something that makes me grin wider than my neighbor Larry when he finds free donuts at a town hall meeting. The 1978 Dodge Sportsman American Clipper. This isn't just a van, and it isn't just a camper. I believe it's the rolling definition of 1970s freedom. Back when gas was cheap, disco was king, and Timmy swore he saw Elvis buying fireworks at the roadside stand. Now, before we dive in, smash that subscribe button, because we've got more rare rigs, more questionable life advice, and more stories than Larry has excuses for not mowing his lawn. So here's the deal. Under the hood sits Chrysler's mighty 440 cubic inch V8, about 7.2 liters for the metric folks. It's paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission that shifts smoother than my buddy Carl after 2 margaritas. I think this engine was built when horsepower wasn't just a number. It was a way to prove your neighbor wrong at the stoplight. And with Flowmaster mufflers on a dual exhaust system, I liked the most that it doesn't whisper. It announces your arrival like a rock concert in a church parking lot. Finished in classic white with brown and orange stripes, this Clipper looks like it just rolled out of a Bee Gees music video. Exterior features include a fold-out awning, a roof rack with a ladder, side steps, and extended mirrors that I believe were designed to see into next week. There's even a receiver hitch in the back, because why not tow your neighbor's broken boat while you're at it? The fiberglass body has a small crack, but that's not damage, that's called character. It rolls on polished 16-inch wheels, wrapped in Firestone Transforce HT tires, fitted in 2017. With less than 500 miles on them. Replacement front springs came in 2021. So this thing rides steady, even if your buddy Timmy insists on bringing a year's worth of beef jerky on every trip. Inside, it's like stepping into a wood-paneled time capsule. Dual captain's chairs are finished in brown vinyl with striped fabric. The dashboard is carpeted like your aunt's basement in the 80s. And yes, it's got a Clarion AM/FM stereo with an 8-track player. Perfect if you still own that mixtape labeled Summer 79, Do Not Touch. The cruise control was recently fixed. The AC was recharged, though it's got a leak. And the turn signal lever? Well, it doesn't stay engaged. Consider it a polite reminder that lane changes are optional. The cabin is pure RV luxury for the era. A table with 2 bench seats, a couch, and an overhead bunk for whoever loses the coin toss. The kitchen packs a fridge, microwave, sink, and a Magic Chef oven with a 4-burner cooktop. I believe the bathroom, with a shower, sink, and toilet, was the final boss of road trips in the 70s. Sure, the fridge seals are tired, the bathroom window is cracked, and the couch fabric's worn through. But let's be honest, if it's too perfect, it's boring. This van has fewer than 48,000 miles, 77,000 kilometers, all logged by the same owner since day one. The 440 V8 got a new fuel pump in 2021. The battery was replaced recently, and the transmission fluid was changed in 2017. Even the chassis got undercoating, so it's more protected than Carl's beer fridge at a block party. And now, the part everyone whispers about at auctions. The price. This one recently hit the market, with bidding climbing toward the kind of money that makes you say, maybe I don't need that second vacation home. Original MSRP back in 1978 was around $8,000, which in today's money won't even get you a used hatchback with working cup holders. Today, these American Clippers have been hitting well north of $50,000, about 46,000 euros, at auction. The new owner won bragging rights, plus the joy of hunting down rare RV parts that went extinct around the same time as disco pants. Sold by Oceancruiser to Duffman 73 for USD $15,500. March 27th, 2023. Would you take this beast down a one-lane mountain road? Yes or no? Drop it in the comments. I'm betting half of you would, and the other half would just bring binoculars to watch. And folks, before I roll out of here like this Dodge on open highway, remember, you can become a sponsor of our channel for just $1. That's cheaper than Timmy's gas station nachos and far less dangerous.